It's so tiny, your baby?
Yes.
That's your new baby?
I'm ready to go home.
With the new baby?
Yes.
Well, the new baby's not ready to go home yet. Soon.
Why?
Because the doctor's not done making sure she's okay. But when she comes home, you're going to be nice to her? Are you going to share your toys with her?
Well, which toys? What I'm going to share with her?
We'll get her special toys that you used to play with when you were a baby.
Where's the toys?
We put them away, but now that we have a new baby, we'll bring them out and you can share them.
And you'll be... And now, Estee's a big sister, right? Do you want to kiss your baby?
Esty, do you want to give the baby a hug?
Yeah.
Oh, you're being careful to her hair?
I'm being careful to have the pair very nicely. Nice.
You want to make nice, Esty?
Yes. I think it's so tiny. It's really. We need the. Bye. Okay.
Okay, now Mommy's going to pick up the baby for a minute and then...